Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a very common issue that appears when you use Power Apps and you have an image control and the image is stored as an attachment to a SharePoint list item. So generally what we do is like we use the first line of this video that you see first, this item dot attachments dot absolute URL to display the image. While it displays perfectly fine in the edit mode, okay, in the studio I would say, and also for the owner, but other users in the organization, when they access this app, they don't see the image, nothing appears over there, right? So what's the solution? So the solution is the second line. If you use the second line, they will be able to see the image as well, and as well as you, the creator or owner. So if you have an issue like that, you can use this one and this should help you out. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching this.